Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. With every smartphone manufacturer working on bringing new features in the sub rupees 15,000 price range, LG has taken a new approach by launching the LG X screen with a standout feature that is an always on secondary display. In this video, I will share quick unboxing and hands-on review of LG X screen detailing the innovative features that it brings with it. Let's start with the box contents. In the box, you get the phone itself along with a charging adapter with output rating of 5 volts and 0.85 ampere, a USB cable, earphones, a SIM ejector tool, and some documentation. Now let's talk about its design. First thing that we noticed after holding this phone was its weight. It is a super lightweight phone. It weighs just 120 grams and measures 7.1 mm in thickness. The rear of the phone has glass fiber design, which is reminiscent of Samsung's Galaxy A series phones. It goes well with the four metal plastic edges. On the back, you get a 13 megapixel primary camera, LED flash, and LG branding. On the front, you get dual screens, a 4.93-inch main display, and a secondary 1.76-inch display. Above the display, you get an 8 megapixel front camera, earpiece, and sensors. Three navigation buttons are a part of the display, and below the display there is LG branding. Right edge of the handset features power button and hybrid SIM slot. You can either use two nano SIMs at the same time or one nano SIM and a micro SD card for storage expansion. The left edge has the volume rockers. The bottom edge houses 3.5 mm audio jack, microphone, charging port, and a speaker grill. Secondary microphone is on the top edge. Overall design of the phone is very stylish and attractive. It is an extremely lightweight and compact phone and feels very comfortable to use with single hand. The USP of this phone is its dual display. It features the primary screen with 4.93-inch size and HD 720p resolution. There is also a 1.76-inch secondary screen with resolution of 520 by 80 pixels. This secondary display is placed on the top of the main display. The secondary always-on display offers some quick tools for sound profiles, Wi-Fi, flashlight, and SOS, and displays notifications such as messages, emails, and incoming calls. The screen can be customized such that it will display user's name or any personal message all the time. It also allows you to access the music player. During our time with the phone, we found it very handy. This secondary screen saves a lot of time by displaying time, date, battery status, and other notifications without turning the screen on. Main display is sharp and bright. It has good viewing angles and good sunlight legibility. With main screen turned off, you may find the secondary screen very dim in outdoors, but its indoor brightness is pretty good, especially with main screen on. On camera front, it sports a 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. The rear camera takes sharp images in daylight with good detailing and clarity. Low light images, however, are not very impressive. The front camera doesn't impress us much. Images taken with the front camera come out to be a bit blurry. Overall, the camera quality is just average for the price and not as good as we expected. Now hardware and performance. It is powered by a quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 processor clocked at 1.2 GHz paired with Adreno 306 GPU. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory, which can be expanded up to 2 TB using microSD card. On testing it on Antutu benchmarks, we got score of around 28,000 points. We played a few games like Asphalt 8 and Jetpack Joyride. It played light games pretty well, but it showed slight lag while playing heavy games. We did not face any heating issues with this phone, but the top rear of the phone got slightly warm after extended usage. Navigating through home screen and multitasking was smooth, but you can expect a slight lag sometimes. Overall performance is average and it is suitable for light usage. On software front, it runs LG's custom skin based on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. The interface is simple and clean and offers a very refined experience. We tested it for USB OTG and it seems that the unit that we have received does not support USB OTG. It comes with an SOS feature that sends alerts to pre-assigned emergency contacts. This phone is armed with a 2300 mAh battery, which seems to be a bit less considering that it comes with dual screens, one of which is an always-on display. Yet it manages to survive for a day on moderate usage. But if you're a heavy user, then you may find yourself looking for a charging point to charge your phone. This phone is priced at Rs 12,990 and can be grabbed exclusively from online retailer Snapdeal. The LG X screen certainly offers a very interesting dual display feature. Saving a lot of your precious time, it allows you to access quick tools and check notifications without having to turn on the main screen. But its performance and camera capabilities are not up to the mark. You can go for this stylish phone if you're a fan of innovative features and can compromise a bit in performance and camera departments. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.